just bird's eye view, who is Blacoh?
Blacoh is a pulsation dampening company. We've been around since the 1970s, and we've been working with positive displacement pumps primarily, and even getting into centrifugal pumps in the last 10 years or so. But for the most part, it's a company that makes devices that are designed to protect pumps and systems from the pulsation that comes from positive displacement pumps. It's an unavoidable part of a positive displacement pump, and they're necessary in a lot of different applications. So Blacoh makes things to make those pumps easier to work with and more reliable.
So this is an example of something I just didn't know. I didn't realize, so these pumps, if they're left without any sort of system in place, they actually will pump the fluid out in basically just spurts as the pump moves, right? Is that because
That's correct.
Is that because it's a single diaphragm then? Because just one thing basically pushing the pressure on?
Well, there's for example, in the air-operated diaphragm pumps, there's actually two. It moves back and forth. But in either case, when it shifts one way or the other, you're getting a surge of fluid in one direction coming out the pump, and you're getting a surge of fluid after that coming out at the pump again. So it's just a natural part of the way the pump operates that you're going to get pulsing flow. And there's lots of pumps that are like that. An air-operated diaphragm pump is one example, but there's also metering pumps, there's reciprocating piston pumps, there's a wide variety of positive displacement pumps that all have this same natural component of how they operate. And some are better and some are worse, but it exists in all of them. It's really unavoidable.